Okay, so uh, my door handle on the driver's side broke for the 2001 Honda Prelude, and they don't make these parts anymore. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, we gotta take this screw off, and you pull this off. I already disconnected the wires. You got one here and one here for the speaker. You gotta unclip this as the opens the door. I was able to find this door handle for the Honda Accord, I believe it was. Let's see. So 9802 LX EX model Honda Accord, and you're gonna get 4 door handles, and you can use 2 of them, either the front or back, to replace this little part. So I already took the little clip here, pull this part, and now I'm gonna remove this little what do you call that, pin. I have to cut it right here and replace this part, and that's it. So let me do that and show you how it looks. So I removed the pin. It's the old one. I'm gonna use the new one. So this comes out, and now I'm gonna replace that. Make sure that this is the same. So yeah, I'll probably use a new spring too. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna put it back together. So let me show you how it looks. Okay, there's the clip. Put it through, and make sure you put it through the top. So this is gonna be like that. You want to put the pin through the top so it doesn't fall out inside the car. So it's just secured by pure pressure. You just gotta hammer it inside there. Alright, let's put it back in the car and see how it works. Okay, so there it is. I put the screw in there, and then I didn't have this black cap, so I used the beige side, the beige color one that came with door handle. So I'm just gonna use a black marker and paint black. But everything works. There you go, like new. It's like unwrapping a new, brand new car. Now the passenger side is still in good condition, so I'll just change it when that breaks. I still got the other one. So I hope that helps.